Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an incredible solution for anyone who struggles with droopy earrings. If you're tired of heavy earrings pulling down your lobes or dealing with poorly placed piercings, then you're in for a treat. We're showcasing the best earring backs that lift, Kouley's 14K earring back lifters. Let's take a closer look. Kouley's 14K earring back lifters come in a convenient pack of 3 pairs, featuring 2 pairs of stunning white gold and 1 pair of classic gold. Designed with a crown-like aesthetic, these lifters not only look elegant but also offer a practical solution for droopy ears. The material is silver, plated with 14K gold, ensuring a durable, hypoallergenic experience that's safe for all skin types. Each lifter is adjustable, which means you can customize the fit based on your personal needs. Whether your earrings are heavy or your piercings are stretched, these lifters provide the support needed to keep your earrings comfortably in place throughout the day. Let's talk about the design. The Kouley earring lifters feature an innovative adjustable mechanism that allows you to slide the earring post right into the back, creating a snug fit. They accommodate post sizes ranging from 0.028 to 0.32 inches, making them versatile for various earring styles. This ease of use means you can wear your favorite statement pieces without fear of discomfort or them slipping off. One of the standout features of these lifters is their ability to redistribute the weight of heavier earrings. If you've ever experienced the discomfort of drooping earrings tugging at your lobes, you'll appreciate how these lifters alleviate that issue, allowing you to enjoy your jewelry without worry. Safety is paramount when it comes to jewelry, and that's why Kouley has crafted these earring backs from hypoallergenic materials. They are nickel-free and lead-free, making them an excellent choice for sensitive skin. With a durable shine that lasts, you won't have to worry about tarnishing over time. Plus, they come in a lovely gift box, making them a perfect present for friends or family who might benefit from a little extra support for their earrings. Incorporating these earring backs into your routine is a breeze. Simply slide them onto your earring posts before wearing them, and you'll instantly feel the difference. They hold your earrings securely, giving you the confidence to move freely without constantly checking if your earrings are still in place. Many users have reported a transformative experience, feeling liberated to wear their favorite, heavier earrings without discomfort. The adjustable feature allows for personalized comfort, catering to everyone's unique ear shape and size. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable solution for droopy earrings, Kouley's 14K earring back lifters are the best choice on the market. With their stylish design, hypoallergenic materials, and adjustable features, these lifters are a game-changer. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to stylish confidence. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews that make your life easier. Until next time, happy accessorizing.